It though. So far. Oh! What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Traxxas Sledge 6S. And I finally went ahead and bought it. Got the Traxxas Sledge. The thing is, I got this from RC Discount Superstore at a nice price, like they like $6.99. A couple dollars off, and it's upgraded, so little upgraded. You know, the Sledge, I wanted the Sledge, but the price that it was at, it was just way too high. It was way too expensive. Way too expensive. But since 600, you can't beat that. You can't beat that. That's how much 6S cars, basically truggies and buggies, usually cost that. It's like I said, got it from RC Discount Superstore, and it's brand new. It's never been driven. Only thing I don't have is the box. That's the only thing I don't have is the box. That stops it from being out the box. It was already out the box, so it wasn't brand new. You know, the thing about this, I like it. They say it's sturdy. Thing is, I'm scared of is the gears, the spur gear. Cause I hear and I know from my X Max, that gear strips out so easy. But every other thing other than that, I'm gonna upgrade the gear. And another thing I don't like about this car, cause it don't give you a sway bar or a wheelie bar. And for $700+ it should come with everything. But as for the design of it, this car is awesome. You know, I'm gonna put a bumper on there so I can, you know, I gotta add some lights. And the Sledgehammer tires, I put these caps on it. That's why it looks so dogged out. Put the hot racing caps on it. Got the Sledgehammer tires. Haven't driven it. I drove it, but I didn't drive it. I just seen how it, you know, did it come on. I ran it on 4S. You got the skid plate on top of there, which is a good thing. You got the easy off body, whatever you call that. Just hit that. You can do this with one-handed with no problem. And just slide it forward. Like the battery tray. Like the layout in there. You got the brace. I don't even know what gear this is running, but it looked like it might be a 13 or probably a 13, maybe a 15. I don't know what the stock gearing is on this. I have to look it up. I haven't looked it up. Don't have sway bars, but I added them. And the funny part about these sway bars, they go to Team Corrali. They fit on there. I had to make stuff work. I got them in the back. Got them in the front. Yeah, I like the layout of this. I wanted to make this metal too, but we're gonna see how this works. Because y'all know I don't bash that hard. The battery tray is huge, but you can lock in the battery tray. That's a good thing. Nice thick arms. I want to see how durable this is. The battery tray only limits you though. That's the only problem with the battery tray. You're limited to what this, you know, battery. Because I wanted to put my Gens Ace 11,000 milliamp batteries in here to run them, but they too big. All right, let's see. Check out the system. Traxxas system 6S ESC and the motor. I don't know the specs on that neither, but I'm gonna put all the specs below so you can check that out. I just want to run this thing. I like how they got the cups for the center drive shaft. You can see that right there. You got stuff to protect it, so a lot of stuff don't get on here. You got the guard on there, the dust guard. I don't know if this comes factory. I'm not sure. And on the bottom, see, that's how you can tell this is a brand new car. It don't have a, okay, got that. That's from me. And then he put a skid plate on there. Oh, shoot. And that's when I was trying to put the, was trying to install bumpers to see if they would fit. But there I go. Not putting the screws back. But you see the layout of the bottom of the chassis. See the thick arms. This thing is nice though, especially for the. I put the stickers here. I put this sticker, that sticker, this sticker. Put the sticker on the wing. Color this in. Of course, I color the tires in. Got stickers right there. Stickers right there. Stickers on the wing. Traxxas. Even gave it a license plate. Traxxas did their thing on this though. I have to give them props on this. I have a few of these cars and this thing is lovely. All right, now let's throw a battery in there and take out for the first test run. Let's get into it. Yeah, I got her out in the real world now. See how she handles. She ain't coming off her feet though. Get that one back, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this got good handling. So far, this joint not bad. But not no, yeah, this ain't worth 7, man. This mother. But it's strong. This shit got nice handling though. You can power slide. Know what it is? It's the power system. Whoa. It's a monster. Beast. She definitely need a work bar. Definitely need a wheelie bar. Oh! And they killed me. I'm gonna use a female because he kept coming. All right, let's jump off some steps. It's still not bad though. Whoa. See if she can make it up the steps. Almost got it. Oh wow, she made it up the steps. bad though. So far, I like it though. So far, it's not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. I like how the tires sound. But this is just, I'm just giving y'all a quick look. You know it's going up. It needs more power though. Maybe I gotta adjust the ESC, but it needs more power. And the steering is not that bad. It's not that weak once you start driving it, so I'll just keep that servo in there for the time being. But still, upgrades to come. Plus, I want to do a comparison video with the Crichton 6S, and I want to do a Team Karate, what is that? Chronos XTR 2022. It's got a lot of potential though. It's just that price is a little too high for me. And she seemed pretty good though. I didn't test the durability, but seemed pretty durable so far. But as always, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. This is Phillyswords RC, and I'm out.